Okay, so you probably heard in the news a lot about Amazon delivery drones and pharmaceutical prescription delivery drones. So I'm at a Walgreens over here in Little Elm, Texas, which is near Frisco, Texas. And here they have a fleet of high-powered delivery drones. Those are QR codes on the landing pad so that each drone knows which landing pad to land on. Look a little bit like P-38 Lightnings from World War II, except instead of the propellers being in the front, they're on the top. It's kind of interesting. Pretty cool. I haven't actually seen these particular drones take off from this location, but I have seen the Amazon delivery drones making lots and lots of deliveries over Frisco, Texas over the last several months. It's pretty cool. Let's see if we can zoom in on one of these drones so you can see it a little bit better. That's what it looks like. So 12 downward propellers to give the up thrust, and then 2 forward propellers for the forward motion. It's really cool. And they have the control box over here. So Walgreens Wing, I guess, is what they're calling it. Walgreens Wing.
Okay. And then you can see the control box there, charging station.
It's pretty sweet.